Hi, my name is Matthew.
Hi, I'm Ethan.
I'm Trevor. We're part of Team 137, and we worked to complete the American Electric Power Challenge for HackOHI this year. In order to analyze the data with a large language model, we took the CSV file and created a SQL database using SQLite. We then iterated through each row of the SQL database and fed key parameters to the LLM. This included the point name, the object value, and the comments associated with that. The comments provided lots of info, and then we used that to score each event by three main factors. We identified whether it was a potential for serious injury or fatalities event. We identified what category of hazard it belonged to, if it was, and then we identified the model's confidence in that assessment.
We use LM Studio with the Inter-LM2 model, which is a locally hosted model. This adheres to the data privacy and security guidelines since we did not use any publicly hosted AI services. With this being locally hosted, we were using consumer-grade hardware that allowed us to process 15 entries per minute. The way that the LLM was honed was by using the provided 13 different hazards, along with the 4 provided questions that quantify whether or not something is considered to be a PSIF. Several instances of the Inter-LM2 were run with prompts that built upon each other until the answers that it was giving were consistent with expectations and consistent with each other based on the examples provided.
This is the AEP dashboard that we came up with. The dashboard takes in the parsed SQL data and creates a pie chart visualization along with a table with the data. As you can see here, we have all 13 categories of different hazards. If we hover over one of these categories, we can see the number of data points that are associated with that category of hazard. For example, excavation or trench, we have 57 pieces of data that are associated with that hazard, which is about 11.54% of our pie chart. We are able to also turn off different categories, and we can get a new percentage of the pie chart as well. This dashboard allows us to also search by different factors, including observation number, date and time, point name, qualifier, at-risk notes, follow-up notes, is it PSIF, category, and confidence. For example, if we want to search by observation number, we just select it here and we can enter a search value. For example, 164, and we'll see every piece of data that includes 164, and it'll show you the total number right here. So we have 13. The data also lets you filter. For example, you can filter by stuff that is a PSIF by clicking here twice. And we'll see everything here and the category it's associated with. We can also filter by false, filter by the confidence. This is incredibly user-friendly, intuitive, and can be impactful in the future because it has statistics that are valuable to AEP as a company on hand and ready. We ran about 1,000 entries from the SQL database as a proof of concept, and this can scale extremely well. Out of our 1,064 pieces of data, we have 494 identified PSIFs with an average confidence level of 83%. The most common hazard that we found was suspended load.